up? KK here, and we're going to talk about Organifi and all the superfoods and all the things that I get excited for. Like, ooh, baby, I love you way every day. What I want to be with every day is my green juice. Not going to lie, this is my secret sauce. And this is real raw. I've got steam coming out of my teapot here. Woo! That's right, we're steaming up. There's no light, there's no fancy. This is kind of the new way that I'm rolling. It's me. It's keeping it real with KK and what's happening. So this is what's happening. Every morning, I wake up and I make a smoothie. Well, I mean, once I'm ready for breakfast. I mean, it's not always at a set time. But I did want to say that I am trying out for the second time Organifi Better Biome gummies. And I'm supposed to have this before a meal, or, you know, preferably. They're these tiny little apple gummies and they taste so good, you guys. So I've been an ambassador or affiliate, whatever, for Organifi for almost 10 years. I love this stuff. See the steam? So 2 little apple gummies. Taste delicious. And the prebiotic. Gut balancing. Prebiotic superfood with organic apple cider vinegar and New Zealand gold kiwi fruit. Sorry, my eyes. Regulate, restore, thrive. As usual, I should have my glasses, but I don't. Sweet apple, glyphosate free, clinically proven gut support, made in the USA. So I don't know about you, but like I get kind of like hyped up in the morning when I get the Taste Delicious gummies, which then brings me to Happy Drops. Honestly, you guys, this is a little bag. It's a trial bag. But Happy Drops, they really bring me joy. And they're like sunshine in a gummy. And Happy Drops are mood lifting, organic supplement. And it's saffron, gotu kola, passion fruit, ginger. Now, these are not any special. They're kind of just like almost like little dots. Little dots, little dots. Little dots, little dots. But they bring me joy, and I definitely feel like my mood is lifted when I have these every day. When I don't, I'm like, oh, I'm missing something. I'm missing my Happy Drops. All right. Next up, I have Organifi products like everywhere in my house. They're like, they're multiple locations. Sorry. My code, Karma. Karma is my code. That's my discount code. I get a little cutback. You get 20% off your order. Win, win. Ask me questions. Okay, so next up is complete protein. So this is a chocolate, plant-based, craving control, and satiety. So it helps curb your cravings. And I have this on, like, what do you call it? Portrait? And maybe that wasn't the way to go. And I also don't have a light behind you guys. So, like I said, it's down and dirty these days. 1 scoop. Smells delicious. Tastes delicious. And this is a meal replacement. It really is pretty much my breakfast almost every day. Organic sourced pea protein, whole food, vitamin blend, digestive enzymes. And this is organic, glyphosate free, made with pea protein, flaxseed, quinoa protein, pumpkin seed protein, digestive enzymes, coconut milk. And this, 30 servings, delicious, smooth, it's creamy. What else can I tell you about it? Plant-based, gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free, soy-free. Ask me questions. I think it's 18 grams of protein. Lots of vitamins. Where is it? 18 grams of protein and serving. And like I said in the beginning, this is the secret powder. I don't want to say the secret sauce because clearly it's not sauce once you see me pour it out. So the green juice has been a staple in my life. So I started a transformation program through the CEO of Organifi when I got sober. So it's green juice. When I got sober, which we're coming up on 10 years, crazy, but we're just putting this all into my NutriBullet. And this is my energy, my vitality. This is my daily like reset, body reset, stress support. So this has ashwagandha, which is a superfood that helps with stress. And this gives me energy. It has moringa leaf, wheatgrass, ashwagandha. Say it with me, you guys. Ashwagandha. Sounds tribal. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ashwagandha. Your green juice fix for every morning. So you could also, if you were trying to lose weight, you could actually drink your green juice as your breakfast every day. And that's going to help you, give you energy, and it'll help you lose weight. Non-GMO, organic, soy-free, dairy-free. Okay, so also matcha green tea, chlorella, spirulina, turmeric, red beet, lemon, and coconut water. Yum, yum, yummy, yummy, yummy. I got love in my tummy. Ooh, love is such a sweetness. And I'm gonna throw a. This is. I'm just gonna throw one more thing in here, but this one we're gonna talk about in another video. Okay. So maybe that is actually the secret. Okay, I got some organic golden flax. They call it meal, I just call it flax. So I'm gonna like put a little bit of that in there, maybe, I don't know, 2 teaspoons or I don't know. I just eye it up. I eye it up, and lately I've been torn about should I be putting like a little bit of oats in here to get some carbs. So I've been putting a little bit. I'm gonna go cut the grass and it's warm out, so I'm gonna like just a little hand, not a little bit, just a little bit. It also kind of makes a nice texture. This is organic oats. This is a big ass thing of oats. That's a good deal. And then I'm pretty much obsessed with chia seeds. I'm looking to see how many bags I have, or is this? I have one more bag. Okay. I have one more bag. Organic chia seeds. I put 2 scoops. Packed with omegas, omega-3s, and it also fills up your belly. You know, you guys know about chia seeds. Chia. Back when I'm old. I'm Gen X. You know, we used to have the Chia Pets. I mean, they still make them, but like that's when they came out. Okay, so we got this nice kind of thing happening right here. I'm gonna close the cabinet so I don't bang my head because I've done it before. Excuse the shirt. I guess I've worn this a lot of times. I've cut it. I've worn it. It's Sovereign Sobriety is like a podcast that I haven't tapped into, but I think maybe that'll be my Wednesday night thing. So Monday will be Keeping It Real KK. Wednesday will be Sovereign Sobriety. I don't know. You can give me feedback in the comments if you think I should keep that going. And then I have a bag of frozen half bananas. Now this is a big banana, but being that it is 1:32 and I haven't had anything to eat, I'm going to go with the big banana. Also, I got cramps in my legs from running so much this week last night, and that was uncomfortable, and they say bananas with the potassium is going to help me. I am at the last of my spinach, so I will be going to the store today or tonight. And I'll be getting lemons because I do fresh lemon water every morning to kick off my day, reset my body, give me energy. That has inflammation, like that's awesome. So I do half of a lemon, preferably organic, and I squeeze it in about like a cup of water, in warm water. And that's the first thing I do every single morning. And basically that's it. We're going to put the top on. We're gonna blend it up for about a minute. And right now I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So we covered a lot today. If you have any questions, I will be happy to help. But you know, part of the healing process is in general, like your overall body, mind, soul connection is taking care of your body and what you put in your body and having high vibe food that is going to make you feel better, give you energy instead of do the opposite. So to basically support your healing, your growth, your confidence, all the things, I highly recommend tapping into your nutrition. It's huge. But honestly, like, it all starts here. So it's a combination of mindset. Should I put this on? Like, I don't know. Maybe, or maybe not. Yeah, okay. I'll keep talking. I'll speed this part up. This will be a whole video on itself, but you look good. All right, I think we're good. So, all right. I don't know if you heard me during that, but I'm gonna speed it up, or maybe not. Cause you know, we'll see. We'll see. Oh man. All right, where's my straw? Are you ready? All right. Enjoy the complete protein meal. Ooh, boom. All right. Again, I'll put my link in the description. My code is Karma. If you use the link, it'll automatically put my code Karma in the checkout. If for some reason you don't use my link, but you want a 20% discount off of Organifi at checkout, there's a section that says discount code Karma. You know, like you throw it out there and it comes back to you. Ugh. So good or bad, we got Karma, right? So Karma, Karma, and you do that in the checkout. So don't do the other stuff, because you're going to get 20% off when you use my code, and I get a little cutback. So thanks. And let me know. Let me know if you try anything, or if you have any questions, put it in the comment. Feel free to ask me questions. Like I said, this has been a game changer for me, all of the different products. I'm pretty much obsessed. I didn't even pull out the Glow, but the Glow, see that 54, the collagen, plant-based collagen, the vegan support. I love that, and it tastes delicious. So all the things Organifi. All right, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you soon. Bye. And that's it. No, they don't smell.